One flat tire, and you're stranded, helpless, and alone. Unless you've got one of these 5 life-saving portable tire inflators. We handpicked the best portable options every smart driver needs before disaster strikes. Watch till the end and hit the description to grab yours before it's too late. Our first pick is the Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. A flat or underinflated tire isn't just an inconvenience, it's a safety risk. Don't leave your journey to chance. The Astro AI Tire Inflator delivers fast, accurate, and hassle-free inflation, ensuring you're never stranded or forced to rely on costly gas station air pumps. Equipped with Tough Ultra technology, this air compressor is built for maximum durability, extending its service life by 30%. The digital pressure gauge with a smart preset and auto-shutoff function eliminates guesswork. Set your desired PSI and let the inflator handle the rest. Its compact, glove box-friendly design ensures it's always within reach, while the built-in LED flashlight makes nighttime emergencies effortless. Whether you're a daily commuter, road tripper, or outdoor enthusiast, this powerful yet portable device is a non-negotiable necessity for your vehicle. Be prepared, stay in control, get the Astro AI Tire Inflator today. Our next choice is EP Auto 12V DC Portable Air Inflator. Flat tires don't wait for a convenient moment, and neither should you. The EP Auto 12V DC Portable Air Inflator ensures you're never stranded with low tire pressure again. Simply plug it into your car's cigarette lighter socket, set your desired pressure, and let the auto shutoff function do the rest, preventing overinflation and keeping you safe on the road. Designed for efficiency and ease, this compact powerhouse inflates cars, bikes, and SUVs in minutes. Its built-in LED flashlight ensures visibility for nighttime emergencies, while the versatile nozzle attachments make it perfect for inflating sports balls, inflatable kayaks, and more. Forget long waits at gas stations and unreliable manual pumps. With 4 pressure display units, PSI, KPA, BAR, kg per cm, and an automatic overheat protection system, this inflator is built for reliability and precision. Stay in control, stay safe, stay on the move. Grab your EP Auto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor today, because every driver needs peace of mind. At number 3, we are now talking about Airmoto Portable Air Inflator. Ever been stranded with a flat tire? Wasted time at gas stations for air? Not anymore. The Airmoto Portable Air Inflator is your ultimate roadside hero. Fast, powerful, and compact enough to fit right in your glove box. Inflate car tires, bikes, sports balls, and more in minutes with precision accuracy up to 120 psi. This sleek and lightweight air compressor is designed for those who refuse to be caught off guard. With its cordless and rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, you'll have instant air whenever and wherever you need it. Just set your desired pressure using the digital display, press start, and let Airmoto handle the rest. The automatic shutoff feature ensures perfect inflation every time. No risk of overinflation or guesswork involved. Whether you're on a late-night drive or stuck on the side of the road, the built-in LED flashlight provides visibility in any situation. Compact yet powerful, Airmoto is the must-have travel companion for every driver, cyclist, and sports enthusiast. No more stress, no more waiting. Stay prepared and grab your Airmoto today. Our fourth pick is VR88P Portable Air Compressor. When adventure calls, the VR88P Portable Air Compressor answers with power, precision, and unmatched reliability. This compact, heavy-duty air compressor is built to handle it all, whether you're conquering rugged trails, cruising down highways, or dealing with the unexpected. Don't get caught stranded with flat tires. Take control of your journey with this ultimate on-the-go solution. With a maximum pressure of 120 psi, the VR88P quickly and efficiently inflates tires up to 33 inches, saving you time and frustration. Its gearless, maintenance-free motor is designed for tough conditions, delivering 85% faster inflation than competitors, filling a tire from 20 to 30 psi in just 50 seconds. The built-in pressure gauge ensures accuracy every time, while the LED work light lets you handle roadside emergencies, even when the sun sets. Designed for vehicles, bikes, and sports equipment, the VR88P is powered by your vehicle's 12V DC battery, making it easy to inflate tires on your car, SUV, RV, or even your mountain bike. The included Presta valve adapter and 3 inflation tips give you versatility for all your inflation needs. Rugged, reliable, and compact, VR88P is your ticket to hassle-free tire maintenance, wherever life takes you. Don't wait for a breakdown. Gear up with VIR and stay ready for whatever the road throws at you. Now finally, we will discuss our last pick, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Tire Inflator. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Tire Inflator is your ultimate roadside companion, designed for fast, hassle-free inflation. With 160 psi power, it inflates tires in minutes. No more waiting at gas stations or struggling with bulky pumps. The cordless design, powered by a 20V max battery, gives you freedom to inflate anywhere, while 12V DC and 110V AC options ensure you're always prepared. Featuring an easy-to-read digital gauge and automatic shutoff, this inflator ensures precise, worry-free inflation every time. Its rugged build with heavy-duty rubber feet keeps it steady during use, and the built-in LED light lights your way in low-light conditions. Compact, durable, and ready for anything, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Tire Inflator is the must-have tool for every driver. Stay safe, stay mobile, and inflate with ease, wherever life takes you. And there you have it. These top portable air compressors aren't just tools, they're peace of mind on demand. From flats in the middle of nowhere to everyday tire checks, they've got your back fast, easy, and hassle-free. Tap the links in the description to learn more and drop a comment with your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic gear picks. Thanks for watching.